All right, so you want to be an affiliate for NinjaProxy. We appreciate it, and let me show you how to sign up. Here we go. So let's go to NinjaProxy.com, basically right here off our main website. Go up here to affiliate, go over here to join now. That's going to redirect you to our affiliate portal. Here you will sign up. So we'll do demo at NinjaProxy.com. Highly suggest you use your own email address. Don't use one of ours. Basically, how this portal works is there's no passwords. You will get a code every time you need to log into our affiliate site. So let me go over here and email, get this code. Oh. Verify. And this is a new user, so we will do demo account. You can select your payout method, PayPal, Wise, and crypto. We support all three. So let's actually just do crypto. We'll do USDT, and then we'll add in an address here. You'll probably want to put in a real address. But this is just to get us through the demo. Alrighty. So basically, we'll start here. It goes ahead and says what our affiliate link looks like. Say getting started. A couple of things that you can do: create a link of your own, a special link, and you can use ref, via, and AFF are the three link parameters. So it stays ninjaproxy.com, and depending on how you want to do this, you just put say browser if that was your company name, or whatever. You can create the link. So you can create multiple links. You don't have to go with the default that it gives you. And you will use this. Really, in the end, if there's a special page on our site that you want to use, you can just use that parameter, question, ref, and equals at the end of your link, and you will get affiliate commission for this. So don't think that it just has to be just this site. You can use that on any of the pages on our website. Here you'll be able to track actual referrals that came through, the date that they came through, how much you're getting paid, how much they paid, the total commission, and then the status of payment. As a reminder, we pay out basically 30 days after the payment has gone through. So you won't get it right away, but it's all tracked in here. A couple of resources. So we have our logos here. Again, white with no background on white. Doesn't show anything. But if you need to use our logo, plus we're adding in some banners. But if there's something specific that you would like, please reach out to us and we will get some creative added for you. Also, we're open to any kind of collaboration. So if you are doing a newsletter, blast, or anything like that, reach out to us and we'll help you create that info. Payouts, so this will show you all of your payouts. There's also a reports feature, so you can get all of the reports going back through the whole time that you've been an affiliate. Go back here to dashboard. And I guess one last thing that I want to touch on is you get paid 25% of every sale that comes through. That includes recurring commission. So if a user buys our proxies and they pay $100 a month, we'll pay you $25 a month every month that they keep that account open and paid for the life of the customer. So we think that's pretty fantastic. Anyway, so that's our affiliate portal and how to get signed up. And we appreciate all that you're doing for us, and we're here to make you look good. So have a great day. And again, if you have any questions, reach out to us. You can email affiliates@ninjasproxy.com. Have a great day.